Okay, so we're just into the apartment. Got the living space over here and the kitchen just over here, and then you've got the bedroom, and there's a bathroom just in here as well. So I'll come back in here in a minute. So the property can be used as a one bedroom with this living space, or it can be used as a two bedroom without the living space. We can put a bed in here. Yeah, the property is on Rita Road, which is very near to Vauxhall Station. Good part of town. It's a pretty popular road. And this flat's in decent condition. It's a little bit rough around the edges in places, but otherwise it feels good. And you've actually got another bathroom just in there, which is really cool. So it's basically a two bedroom, or two bathroom place. And you've got loads of storage up the top there and in the bedroom as well. And you've got the kitchen. The fridge just over there. Got a gas hob and an oven and an extractor. And you can have a look at the road. Vauxhall's in a great part of town, if you don't know it. Good transport links on the Victoria line and the overground, and from here you can also walk to the Oval Station on the Northern line. We've got Kennington Park and Vauxhall Park really close, so that's pretty cool. Really high ceilings in here. I'm not sure if the camera's showing it properly. Nice private outlook. Or mostly private. So you got the bathroom, also with a power shower. Decent cupboard space, which is cool. Open this up so you can have an idea. A good amount of space. Yeah, so it's a really nice one bedroom flat with a separate kitchen. Or as I said, we can make this into the second bedroom, and you've got two pretty good sized rooms. Good sized London double bedrooms. And if you like the look of the place, do give us a call. All our details should be wherever you found this video. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have about renting this place and bills and all that kind of stuff, and as well as the area. Feel free to give us a call anytime.